Good morning and hello everyone. Today myself Anjal Verma, a solution specialist in water and wastewater, talking from Caprico Technology, bring you to a weekly insight on how we are going to perform a fire flow analysis within a distribution network. So before going to the software, I will just give a brief intro about our company, about our Capricorn, which is now a zero company, is having a legacy of over 3 decades, has now become a partner of choice for the AC industries. Capricorn Technology is one of the biggest platinum partner of Autodesk and Bentley, along with authorized training center. So today with over 10 offices across India and 220 spare team members, we are serving over 20,000 customers in the building, infrastructure, manufacturing, along with a large number of other industries as well. So these are some of the features that we shall be discussed during this insight, like first how we can create a different alternative for fire flow analysis, also with how we can use a global edit option to meet the flow criteria. Next, we'll do with the creation of selection set for different junctions, and lastly, performing a fire flow analysis. So basically, simulating the fire event in water distribution system is a necessary part of any water main design hydraulic report, and it is often done to see how the system residual pressure are affected after the water main being installed. Now I'm just switching to the software to show how we can perform it. So let's suppose this is my water sample distribution network, and we have to perform a fire flow analysis within this network. So starting with what we have to do is first is we have to create an alternative. So for create an alternative, what where we have to go is we have to go to under the analysis tab. There you'll find the option of alternative. Just click on it alternative. Once you click on alternative, you'll find that this type of dialog box will be appear. So next what we have to do is just expand the demand alternative, and you have to create an alternative for an base, base average day. So I have already created an alternative for an base average daily day. So if you have to create how we can do it, just highlight this alternative, and here you will get a new option and you can create a child alternative. So I have already created a base average daily. Now next what we have to do is just double click on it to open the demand base average daily dialog box. Once you open this dialog box, just tick the checkbox for the junction check. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to analyze the fire flow by adding to maximum day demand, which are 1.5 times the average day demand. So for that, what we have to I'm just closing this. Once you close this, here what we have to do is we have to create another alternative named as maximum day. So just highlight this base average daily, and you can by highlighting this you can create a new alternative named as an maximum day. Once you create an alternative with the maximum day, just double click on it. So once you double click on it, you'll find a maximum day of dialog box. So now what we have to do is we have to now we are going to analyze the fire flow by adding to the maximum day demand, which are 1.5 times the average day demand. So for that, what we have to do is just double click on, just highlight the junction. I am just highlighting the junction 1, and from here you can see demand base liter per minute. Just right click on it, and here you will find the option of global edit. Once you click the option global edit, you can operation set as an multiply and give a value as an 1.5. So I have already given this global edit option. Similarly, you can give this option for all the remaining junction. Next, what we have to do is I'm just closing this option. The next part is that just select the fire flow alternative. So from here, you can see the fire flow alternative. Just click on it, base fire flow. You will find this type of dialog box where you have to give a different input. So like suppose we have to give the input for the fire flow needed. which is nearly I have given 3000 liter per minute. You can give according to your need. And 5 flow upper limit is nearly about 6000 limit, 6000 liter per minute. And also you have to give a pressure for the residual lower limit and zone lower limit. And then you have to create a selection set for the different node from where you want to the water flow for a 5 flow analysis. So I have created the selection set for 4 junction, and I have assigned for the same in 5 flow node. So create a selection set. How to do it? Just just highlight, hold shift key and select all the related junction which you want to create a selection set. Just right click on it and create a selection set and name as your accordingly. So I have already created a selection set and assigned it to the 5 flow junction for 1 to 4. Now we have to calculate a 5 flow analysis. For that, what we have to do is just go to the scenario option. Here you can see at the left hand side of my window. So you will create a new scenario name as automated 5 flow analysis, same as like we created the alternative. Just highlight this first scenario and make it as a base scenario and name as automated 5 flow analysis. And once you double click on it, you'll find the property for the same scenario on the right hand side of my window. And under this demand, you need to check that it should be selected as a maximum day. Once all the thing has been assigned properly, just compute the result, click OK. So after computing the result, you can see that my result is being true for all the 4 junction. And to show the result, under the analysis option, just go to 5 flow result browser. Once you can see I have computed my result is being passed for all the given junction. For junction 1, 2, 3, and 4, the status is passed. So this is how you can perform a 5 flow analysis. For more videos and update, do subscribe our channel Capricorn Technology Private Limited and like and comment if you like the insight. We would be delighted to hear from you. So please reach out to us for any suggestion, query, or topic you would want to discuss. See you next week with the next insight. Thank you, everyone.